Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Lately I've been going through my stash of beads and findings and all those fun little goodies, and I've noticed I have quite a bit. And so I've decided to go through them and kind of curate some boxes, per se, boxes. And one of the things I want to show you that I'm getting ready to list in my shop is this particular mix of beads. I'm going to start out with the focal. Isn't this pretty? It's kind of a mustardy yellow color, and it's a shell pendant. Now I'm going to have 3 of them available, and each one is going to be different. When I look in here, it kind of reminds me of tiger eye, which this is not a tiger eye. I believe this is just a shell pendant, a shell that they've cut into a rectangle. Let me give you a little estimate of a size here. Okay. You can't see it. This is 1 inch right here. Okay. Let me just lay this out so as I'm showing you the rest of what's in this bead mix. So we have this pendant, and like I said, it reminded me of tiger eye, and I've got all these tiger eye chips that I'm going to throw in there. They're really small. This would make, whoops, this would make a very dainty piece. Wait a minute, I've got some stuff mixed in here. Let's see. There's the other one. Okay. So I have about 4 inches of tiger eye chips. You know, when I first started making jewelry, I used to use chips all the time. I have always loved the organic look of chips, and so I thought I'd throw some in there because to me this really screams organic. So to stay with this color theme, I found these tube glass beads. Aren't they cool? So I've got 4 of them that I'm going to throw in. Okay. I'll give you a reference on the size there. And then, you know, we have to have crystals. It's always got to have crystals. And this was what was in the tiger eye, so they kind of blended in there. But I'm throwing in 8 of these little crystal beads. I'm trying to think. Let me tell you exactly what they are. I do have the demographics of this. I wrote it down. This is electroplated copper topaz Chinese crystal, okay? And I love to have bling in my jewelry, so there's a little bit of bling there. And it's a hint of bling. It's not, whoa. It's one of those things like if you were to make a necklace, you'd have this little shine, and people go, oh, what is that? All right, staying with this color theme, I've got some glass beads here, which I believe these are 6 millimeter, okay? And then I'm going to throw in some 6 millimeter hematite beads. And then I'm like, you know what? This mix needs some color. Whoops, and there we go. Aren't those pretty? These are glass beads, but they're a simulated, I guess you could say, turquoise. Like I said, I'm getting ready to post this in my Etsy shop. I will have 3 available. That's it. This would be great for a number of projects. You could make a necklace and probably get some earrings in here too. It would be a smaller piece, of course. It's not going to be a big, ginormous piece. You can make a small boho dangle.
You could even use these and make a little bracelet. That would, excuse me, my voice is just, I'm losing it. That's why I keep turning off the video. Anyway, let me get through this. But it would make a good little bracelet. Like I said, these are really small tigerite chips, but I love the way that they're going to look. All right, I got a piece of 22 gauge wire, and I just want to kind of string them up for you so you can kind of see what they look like. Here are the tiger eyes. Like I said, they're really small, but I love the way they look. And then we have the hematite beads. Here's the two beads, and here's those glass turquoise-looking beads. Oh, I meant to put two of those on there. So we have the little glass kind of tan beads, and here are the crystals. They're more like a 4mm. And then here is that piece of shell pendant. These are going to look really nice together. So anyway, I need to go so I can take some pictures of these and get them listed on my channel. I'm going to have some other bead mixes over there too. I've already got some listed right now, but I've got at least one more that I'm going to be listing, and I'll do a video of that one too. And you know, if you're one of the lucky ones that were able to nab these, I'd like to know, and I'd like to know what you would do with it. I'm always curious as to what people do with bead mixes that they get. It's interesting to see their creativity. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, signing out for now. Bye-bye.